In this video, we'll explore the top 5 graphics cards under $400 in 2024, each offering a compelling blend of price, performance, and features. Number 1. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4080. The MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 4080 stands out as a powerhouse within the sub-$400 price range. Leveraging NVIDIA's cutting-edge technology, this card delivers exceptional performance for both gaming and productivity tasks. With ray tracing capabilities and DLSS support, you can enjoy stunning visuals without sacrificing frame rates. The robust cooling system ensures reliable operation even during intense gaming sessions. Whether you're playing the latest AAA titles or diving into content creation, the RTX 4080 offers an impressive bang for your buck. Number 2. Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC. Gigabyte's GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC is another solid contender in the budget-friendly GPU market. Featuring an overclocked core and ample memory, this card delivers smooth gameplay and crisp graphics. The WindForce cooling system keeps temperatures in check, allowing for sustained performance under load. With support for NVIDIA Reflex and G-Sync technologies, input lag is minimized, resulting in a more responsive gaming experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or a competitive enthusiast, the RTX 3060 Gaming OC offers an excellent balance of price and performance. Number 3. XFX Speedster MEC 310 AMD Radeon RX 7900 XTX. AMD's Radeon RX 7900 XTX, housed in the XFX Speedster MEC 310, brings AMD's RDNA architecture to the forefront of affordable gaming. With a focus on raw horsepower, this card delivers impressive frame rates across a wide range of titles. The triple dissipation cooling solution ensures efficient heat dissipation, allowing the GPU to maintain peak performance even under heavy loads. Equipped with AMD Fidelity FX Super Resolution technology, the RX 7900 XTX enhances image quality while preserving frame rates, offering a compelling alternative to NVIDIA's offerings. Number 4. Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Trinity OC. Zotac's GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Trinity OC combines performance and value in a compact form factor. Featuring a factory overclock and advanced cooling system, this card excels in both gaming and content creation tasks. The Trinity cooling solution keeps temperatures low while minimizing noise, ensuring a quiet and stable gaming experience. With support for NVIDIA Broadcast and NVIDIA Studio drivers, the RTX 4070 Ti is equally adept at streaming and creative workloads. Whether you're a gamer, streamer, or content creator, this card offers impressive performance without breaking the bank. Number 5. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3090. While technically exceeding the $400 price point, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3090 offers unparalleled performance for enthusiasts on a slightly higher budget. Boasting a massive frame buffer and cutting-edge features, this card is a true powerhouse in the gaming world. Whether you're gaming at 4K resolution, delving into VR experiences, or tackling demanding creative projects, the RTX 3090 handles it all with ease. While it may stretch the definition of budget-friendly, the sheer performance and versatility of the RTX 3090 make it a worthy investment for serious gamers and content creators alike.